Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for supporting me, and if you are new, welcome. Today we'll be doing this look right here, and well, I was inspired by my boyfriend's Dragon Ball Z socks and now I'm just obsessed with the colors that I did here. If you're wondering why I am doing a voiceover, well, when I recorded my video, I tugged at the mic and on accident kind of unplugged it from the camera. So, well, there it is. I'm here recording because I was like, damn, I need an intro. And unfortunately, I can't do the outro the same because people are gonna be like, what the hell? But yeah, and so let's get into the video because I don't want to keep blabbing away. Alright, so I already have primed my eyelids and now I am just patting them down with my finger to begin the eyeshadow. So the first color I'm going to go in with is this orangey red color, red-orangey color from the James Charles palette. The brush I'm going to be using is, this one's by EYN Cosmetics and it's a precision shadow brush. I can't even say that word. Wow. Alright, so let's see. I switched over to this BH Cosmetics brush. It's the number 8. So we're going to go in with that color instead, into that red orangey color. And we're just going to do the steps that I've done before. This takes a little while, as you guys already know from my other video. I am definitely just gonna stop it right here. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and did this eye because I just wanted to see like what I was working with, because I really don't know what I was gonna go with as in color. I just knew I wanted something orange, but I didn't know exactly like what. So I'm just gonna go in to the next color, and the next color is in this EYN palette. Looks like that. And the color that I'm going to be using is this one here called Tangerine Dream. And I'm going to go in that color with a brush from a BH Cosmetics brush. Looks like that. It's not meant for this, but I'm just going to use it today because my brushes are dirty and I need to clean them. So you're just going to put that right above the other color. And then I lift the eyebrows, because if you don't lift those eyebrows, it's just not gonna like land where you want it. Alright, so I'm gonna blend those two colors out using my Pro Blending Brush by Beauty Junkies. It looks like this, and this is beat up. I don't know what's wrong with this one, but it just, all the hairs are falling out and I'm not happy about that. It's just not happening for me with this one. All right, so I'm just gonna blend those two colors together, and I have to go back and forth between the colors. So we're gonna go in with the Morphe E28 brush. It looks like this, and I don't know, I like this brush, so I'm just using the tip of it and just blending. Then I kind of lean it on this other color so it blends both. It blends while I'm blending the line of where the other one sits. And so I'm gonna reapply the color that I put on first, which is from the Morphe, the James Charles palette. And I'm just gonna reapply that color again, because when you blend them, they tend to blend a little too much off. So we're just repeating the steps again. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that other brush again and put in the color from the EYN palette, which is Tangerine Dream. We're just gonna apply this one. I'm just gonna lean my head back. So I forgot to add the third color. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm just gonna take the same brush, clean it off on my little brush cleaning pad, or there's another name for this and I just cannot remember it right now. So I'm gonna go in that same palette, the EYN palette, and I'm gonna go into Hello Sunshine, which is this yellow color right here. So I'm just gonna tug a little bit on my brow. I have ordered new brushes because it sucks when my brushes are dirty. So once all these three colors are on there, I like to go in with the M441 by Morphe, and I just start blending this top one first, and then I work down into the second color. I know it's a lot of steps, I'm sorry. So then I'll clean this off really quick, and I'll dip into that yellow shade, and I'll just kind of bring it around again. I'll just blend it out even more, just because that top color has to be seamless. Okay, and once I have it like blended out like that, I like to go back into the first color again one more time, but this time I'm gonna blend it. But this time I'm gonna go into that orangey shade here, and then I'm gonna dip it, mix it with this red, so that way it, like, you know, it deepens a little bit. So they're somewhat similar at this point. I'm gonna take that yellow again and just blend this side a little more, and do the same on the other side. Okay, and so now that these colors are on there, I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe E28 brush, and I'm just going to lightly blend this one here. Okay, same thing on this side. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut my crease with this brush. This is by Tarte. It doesn't have a name or number on it, but it is a double-sided brush. And I'm gonna use this one here because it's so like small and thin. I think it'll give me, I mean, it's a little flimsy. I wish it was a little more like, but hey, let's give it a try and see. I'm just going to down here, and there's my mark. Yeah, I just go by this here. And yeah, this shit sucks for cutting a crease. Okay, so now that my crease is cut, sorry, I wasn't even ready. I'm going to dip back into that Tangerine Dream and put it inside really quick before I set everything. And I'm just going to put it here. This is the T63. And this brush is from the Makeup Shack. So I'm just gonna put that in there. And do the same thing with the other side. So I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna dip into that orangey, red orangey color, and I'm just going to put it here. Actually, I'm gonna dip into that red a little bit too. Other side, just in the outer corner. And then I'm just gonna blend them together. And they should look something, ooh, my hair. I have this headband and stuff is still getting in my face apparently. So I'm just gonna end up darkening that end, and I'm just gonna add that red because it's not darkening like I want it to. And then blend in again. Sorry, I mean, excuse me. We're just gonna blend those colors. Actually, I'm gonna put more of that orange in again. So I'm just gonna bring that orange in more. I put the wrong one. I'm telling you, I don't know where my mind is. I think it's because it's like 2 in the morning right now. So I'm gonna put that orange Dream over here. I'll bring this one out more. So we already know this eye is not gonna look as good as this eye, as good as that eye, but we're just gonna, I'm gonna bring it out further because I'm gonna blend these two colors out together and blend this one because I just want it to like blend because I'm gonna do like a yellow. I don't know, I kind of, let's see, I don't know what color to go with. I think I'm gonna do the yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this pigment by Mayo Makeup. Got this online. I follow them on Instagram and I bought it off their webpage. And so this is the pigment. It looks like that. I don't know if you can see that. Can you guys see? I'm gonna be using that, and I'm gonna be using this shadow shifter. This is by Laura Geller. I don't know if this is sold anymore, but I did buy this a while ago. And it makes things water resistant, so that's even better. So if you're crying your eyes out, you're good. So I have this little finger palette that you put on your hand here. So I'm just gonna put the shadow shifter on here. Actually, I'm gonna put some of this pigment on it first, and I'm just gonna put that all under here and see if I like it. If not, I think I might just use, I don't know if I like this because it's like a liner. And the brush I'm using right now, you guys, this is a paintbrush from the fabric store, oh my god, from the craft store. Ew. This is from the craft store, and I kind of feel like this is too dark when you put the I want to call it a shapeshifter. Why? When you put it into the shadow shifter. So I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, so I put some P.louise base underneath my eye just to see like which one I like best. And I kind of like just putting the pigment itself on. The shape, the shadow shifter turns it like a darker color, if you can see. So I'm not a big fan. Maybe if I had it as an eyeliner, I'd be fine. I don't want it that dark. I wanted it nice and bright. So I'm gonna do the same thing under this eye on top of that. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the look, but I'll be right back. Alright, so pretty much this is what you're supposed to look like once, everything's falling off my desk. Once you are done with blending or whatever, like you make it look to where you like. I don't like the way this eye came out. I always fight with an eye, and I think this is the eye. But this eye came out beautiful. I love it. I can't complain about it. I did try to use a shadow shifter for the pigment, but I guess it only works best if you use it for liner, like to turn a powder into a liquid, which is eyeshadow into a liner. But I wanted to give it a try to see what it would look like if I would like it, but So the best bet is to use a base, eyeshadow base, or if you want to use concealer. But I used the P.louise base here, and this is in the number 2. I use this and I like how the pigment looks. Next, I'm just gonna throw on some lashes, highlighter, and lipstick, and then I will be right back. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I am obsessed with the look. I love the colors. I love the lipstick. I love it all. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell symbol so that you're notified every time I upload a new video.